everyone. Today we are going to be learning our very last long vowel sound. We have learned long vowel sounds for A, E, I, and O so far. Long vowel sound A says its name, A, like in acorn or train. Long vowel sound E also says its name, like in teeth or even. We've learned the long I sound, which says I, like ice or bike, and long O sound says its name, O, like in oatmeal, ocean, or rose. So today we're going to be learning the long U sound, and just like all the other long vowel sounds, U is going to say its name. U. Can you say that? U says U. So let's listen to some long U sounds at the beginning of these words. Are you ready? First time I want you to listen. The second time I want you to say the words with me. United, unicycle, uniform, use. Can you say them with me now? United, unicycle, uniform, use. Do you hear that U sound at the beginning of the words? Listen to them one more time. United, unicycle, uniform, use. Now the long U sound can also be in the middle of words. So let's listen to these words. Music, juice, huge, mule. Can you hear them? It's a little bit trickier to hear this one in the middle. So let's say them with me. Music, juice, huge, mule. Did you hear them this time? Let's listen one last time. Music, juice, huge, mule. So everybody, that is the long U sound. Today, we are also going to be working on the last 2 Superkids pages ever for this year. You guys are almost done with all of our Superkids lessons. Isn't that exciting? We have learned all of the letters. We've learned that some letters even make more than one sound. We've learned how certain letters work together. So let's see, we should be on page 32. Let's read the sentence together. I am a super kid. Can you say that with me? I am a super kid. And you know what I notice at the end of the sentence? There's an exclamation point. When you see an exclamation point or an exclamation mark, that means it's an exciting sentence. So let's say that like we're super excited. I am a super kid. So boys and girls, today you are going to be writing sentences about yourself being a super kid. So remember, as we learned about each super kid, we learned about all the different things they like to do. Like when we first met Cass, we learned that she liked to cook, and she liked to read, and she liked to run. Remember? So now you are going to say some of the things that you like to do. Okay? So right here are some words that you might want to use. Okay? You don't have to use them, but you might want to use some of them. So let's read these words. Jump. 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 Run. Snack. Nap. Skip. Stump. Yell. Swim. Let's read the words one more time. Jump. Run. Snack, nap, skip, stomp, yell, swim. So those are all action words. Those are things that you can do. Okay? So now what you're going to do is you're going to finish these sentences. The sentences start with things like I like to, I like to, I can, I will. So you're going to write 4 sentences telling me something about you as a super kid. So for example, if I wanted to do this first one, I like to swim at the beach. And I'm going to put a period at the end of that sentence because that's how I know my sentence is over. I like to swim at the beach. Do you see how I added some detail here? I didn't just say I like to swim. I like to swim. That's a good sentence, right? It tells me about me. It tells you something I like to do. But is this a better sentence? Yes, because it has some details. It tells you where I like to swim. I said I like to swim at the beach. So now you know even a little bit more about me. I could write, let's see, I'm going to go down to this one. I can jump rope. At recess. Did you see how I added details to this sentence too? Jump, I used the word jump. I could have just said I can jump. But that's kind of a boring sentence, isn't it? It doesn't tell you very much. So instead I wrote I can jump rope. I could have just left it there too. It's a little more interesting. But then I wrote I can jump rope at recess. It tells you when and where I like to jump rope. All right? So boys and girls, your job is to finish these sentences, add details. Maybe you can use more than one of these words in one of your sentences. That would be amazing. So tell me things you like to do since you are a super kid. And when you are done, there's one last page for you to do. It's super easy. I bet everybody could do it in their sleep. You are going to write your name on this line here. And it'll say, so-and-so is a super kid. So if I wrote my name, I would write Miss Hagedorn. My name's really long. Doesn't quite fit. That's okay. Miss Hagedorn is a super kid. And this is a special ribbon because you guys have completely finished Kindergarten Super Kids. So this is a special ribbon. You can cut out the ribbon and wear it. You can cut out the ribbon and hang it on your fridge, hang it on your wall. It's a very special, it's like an award or a trophy for getting all the way through Super Kids and learning all of your letters and your letter sounds, all right? So thank you everybody for listening. You are all my very special Super Kids. See you later.